We worked on the programming of this summit to give you guys as much advice and insight as possible to grow your business.
So one of the foundations of being successful with the Amazon Influencer Program is analyzing your data.
Associate Central, Idea Hub, Amazon bestseller rankings, and gift guides. You can now identify what your audience is buying.
Keep an eye on what is actually going on over the course of deal events. This is when we have the most shoppers on Amazon and when you can really leverage your content.
Incorporating data helps optimize your performance.
The conversion rate shoots up when you shop in the Amazon app. During Black Friday, Cyber Monday, one particular creator drove $300,000 in sales. It's been incredible, and it's all because of the Amazon tools that are available to all of you.